Hello everyone, my name is Abby Choplis, and today we are going to be looking at what is poaching. Poaching is another word for cheating. 33 to 50% of relationships are results of poaching. We will look at who poaches, why people poach, how people poach, when people poach, and the costs of poaching. First, we are going to look at the who. There are poachers who are the ones doing the cheating. These are typically your attractive, non-exclusive types of people and also your high self-monitors. And then we have our poachees, who are the ones being cheated on. These are typically your non-exclusive, socially distant, and sexually adventurous people. When people poach, we typically poach to find someone desirable and to trade up, so basically better than what we have. So now let's look at the hows. The hows for women is that women's enhance their physical appeal. So they might buy new clothes, get a new haircut, change their body image, anything to that nature. Men will just simply show off their resources and show what they have to offer women. When do people poach? Poaching tends to happen at the beginning of a relationship, and this kind of makes sense because if you think about it, you still don't really know the person that well, so they're really capable of doing anything. And if a long distance relationship is the type of relationship you're having, it's typical that there will probably be poaching in that as well, just because your lover is not around, so you're going to go find something to be around. So next we're going to look at the whys. Men trade up for younger and more attractive partners. So as a woman gets older, they're not really able to do a whole lot for them, so men go out and look for younger, better, more fertile women. Women go for somebody that can offer them more resources because hypothetically that's all women want is the resources and as much resources as they can get, so they will go out and find whatever they can. Lastly, we're going to look at the costs. By poaching, there are a lot of costs that come into it. So you lose resources because you're getting rid of whoever you are poaching against. You gain injuries because there could be some violence within that or just mental injuries. And most importantly is that if you've cheated once, you'll cheat again.